Hi guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how to change the battery in your indicator. You will need a screwdriver and a new battery. It's a CR2032 cell. And the first thing we have to do is take the back off the indicator. So to do that I'm going to undo the screws in the middle first. So now I can take the bit that attaches to the handlebars, and then lastly I'm going to undo these 4 screws to take the back off. Now we can take the back off the indicator and we can see the existing cell that we have inside. So I'm going to use my screwdriver to press the battery out like this. And then I can grab my new battery and place it in the same way that the old one was facing. And then all I have to do now is put the back on the indicator. And now that it's screwed all back together, we can check that it's working correctly because the lights flash when I press them.